Hello everybody, my name is Jaimie, and welcome to nothing. Now I'm fucking with you, I'm actually opening the game right now, so hold your horses, don't get your shorts in a knot. I'm opening the fucking game as we speak. Shit. I had to fucking do stuff, and I'm blind! Fucking son. Oh. But yeah, so today we're going to be doing let me check my phone real quick. Nothing. This is actually work related here. And well, hello everybody, my name is Jaimie, and welcome back to ToonTown. Now, we're going to be going back into the ToonTown community. There's this kid named Master Loopy on Facebook who, you know what, never mind, just, did I do an office yet? I did do an office, but I have not done a back 9 yet, and I'll do that next time around. So let's get on my cat, which is Sir Meows-a-lot. Now Sir Meows-a-lot is basically my Uber, or Uber, whatever the fuck, however the hell you guys pronounce it. He is only hello 60 laugh with max gags, and he will be going tune-upless, meaning he won't have tune-up. So that will be fun. Alright, and you're heading to the bird. So hopefully, alright, putting my phone over here now. Now I have the ToonTown multi-controller open. So what the fuck off. Alright, so oh shit, I forgot to connect to the sound. Okay, there we go. Now, I have no friends online, which is sad, and I have one toon task to do. 5 top buildings in the bird. Is that Amy? Yes, that is. Hi, Amy. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna also hop on my other account, so I have better chances of surviving. He looks like a noob tune-wise, but he's actually very good. Nobody cares. Wow. Dude, sister just laughed with you. I have no fucking idea who this dude is. So okay, so I'm going to log on to Carrot Cake because he's more popular in the ToonTown community. So, hey, Carrot Cake. Okay, so let's head over to do I have gags? Yes, I do. And I'll show you right now that I'm going to do this. Drop. All this is drop. And then I have all these gags. Sir Meows-a-lot is probably one of my best tunes because once I get his drop, I'll be training that shit non-stop until I match it. to get the tune cannon. And trust me, that will be a pain in the fucking ass.
Meow, 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 meow. Quack, 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 quack.
But,
Quack. 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 Quack.
and this dude needs to shut the fuck up before he makes me scream myself. Alright, and we're heading into Casper headquarters on my alternative tune. So yeah, okay. I know you guys can hear that also. Good. Now let's check for buildings. Preferably a 3-story. Here we go. Because I only need a 5-car building from the bird. And I found one. So it's going to serve me out a lot. Hopefully Judo, my friend, is available to help out as well. So on one of these two moves. The journey began together in September. Okay, I'm gonna ask my friend Doodle right now, real quick, if he's busy. I just asked him, so. I was just going for an answer. Okay, I just spammed the little shit out of him, so hopefully he gets my whispers. Alright, so. You see that rabbit right there? That's my other tune. I'm sure you know him. So. Okay, so since Professor hasn't responded yet, I'll just go right in. Alright, so we got a downsizer to start off with. Which sucks, because my cat has organic trap, and my rabbit is lureless. So that will be fun. Who whispered me? Nobody. Okay. Alright, so far so good. I've only done dual buildings in the bird during an invasion with other tunes. Like myself. Like 2 of my tunes. And then 2 friends. So yeah. Alright. Apparently my friend Doodle is part of, and Street Bird. Oh shit, a corporate raider. I mean a corporate fat ass. Okay. So let's do some lure. And then squirt. Ah, there it is. Alright, so another yes man. In the words of Daniel Bryan from WWE. Yes. Yes. Yes man. No wait, that's stupid, I'm sorry. Okay, so we just have one more yes man to deal with. So I'll use the trap. And then my rabbit will use nothing. Because I don't wanna fuck up. Ow, that -1 laugh. Okay. So you know how regular trapdoors don't kill level 7s, right? But we'll call Shamrock. But organic trapdoors do. So that's a good thing. You know, every fucking time. Fuckery. Fuck. What the hell? I fucking closed it 27 times. Okay, so that's bullshit. So fuck it. Sorry guys, I'm just talking to my friend about the guy I mentioned earlier. Because I have to grab something. And on the top floor we'll probably have a level 10. So I might use 2 foghorns. Carrot's all set, and Carrot has some good tasks. Sorry. Okay, so two foghorns. I'm done with them. It won't take the 10 out though. Because level 10s have, if I remember correctly, 132 health. 11s have 156. 12s have 200. Alright, use the dollar bill on this bitch, then a hose on this bitch. Oh. Alright. Now I'll use not that apparently. I'll use a single storm. Double storm, apparently. That is overkill. Happy dance! Like complete idiots. Yeah, I usually do duo buildings a lot. Because that's just more gag points for me. I don't give a shit about the others. Other people that I don't know, that is. But yeah. I really gotta get on a better sleeping schedule, and I'd be able to record a lot more content. How would you guys feel about me doing a live stream on Saturday? You want that? Okay, so I just saw someone named Rex, and that's not my friend Rex. They're gonna get a taste of true rage. Hey, another building. Lawbot. Okay, so I'm gonna get gas on my cat real quick. Because what's that sound? It's the sound of you shutting the hell up. Oh, no? You're turned down? Okay. Who the fuck?
Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack.
So I guess we got another hand. Hopefully this monkey knows what she's doing. And is Carrot all set on gas? Yes, he is not. Oh Jesus, this stuff is chatless. Oh, he's all pissed as he says, suggests a face a yes man.
Meow, 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 meow.
Alright.
Meow, meow, meow. Quack, 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 quack.
I swear, this dude is gonna be the death of me.
Quack, 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 quack.
No. No. You don't want him.
Meow. Meow. Quack, 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 quack.
Another fucking chatless idiot.
Quack, 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 quack. Quack.
Why do people have to go chatless on ToonTown? Like, what the hell is wrong with them?
Quack, 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 quack. Meow.
If they take my fucking building, I'm the murderer. Yeah, you're fucking right. Fucking. Why do people have to be winged morons nowadays?
Meow, 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 meow. Meow.
This pig has good gas though. For a 54 lapper. Mass squirt. There we go. Haha! Wow. There we go. Okay, so Carrot is with my friend. Dead.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow.
This is one smart monkey. I'm just never gonna do that again. But yeah, level 5 ambulance chaser apparently. And the laptop's starting to rumble a little bit, but that's okay. It only shut down once yesterday. So the fan helped a lot. So that's what I'm going to use when I'm live streaming and recording for YouTube from now on. So the laptop doesn't shut down at all. I hope I hit record. I did. Good. If I hadn't, that would have sucked. And you guys ready to watch this video. Okay, this is the backstabber. So now it's my cast time to track. It works. What? Oh. Yeah, apparently my drop fucking worked. That's hilarious. Sorry for being distracted, you guys. I'm going to lure with the monkey, and then I'm going to tuna. Fail. No, I'm gonna say it on my cat. Ah! I like this monkey. He's funny. Somewhat. To some degree. So either Swamp Pig is fully chatless or he's muted. Alright, so by the way, the higher the elements, the harder they are. Okay, we're gonna set out some 12s now. I'm kidding! Jesus, you guys gotta learn how to take a joke. Holy shit, a fucking big win. Oh yeah, you're really the boss. And then what, a level 10 eagle's gonna come out? Am I right? Fucking hell, princess. My god. Kitty. Level 10? Nope. That big win was the bounce. I guess. Okay, I'm gonna sound here, I guess. Sounding. Holy shit. These cogs are assholes, I'll say that much. They're the little butt fuckers. Try that again. There we go. Moving. Bless me. Ah. I'm just say Jaimie. Hey, Shoutout. Okay, so that was ToonTown Rewritten part. Oh my god. Why a noob? Huh. Okay, so this was ToonTown. Wait, why the fuck am I checking this? I can just check my fucking laptop. My god, I'm dumb. Say nothing. Okay, so this was part 10. Apparently. So I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna get gas first. No. Wow. Okay. Jesus. That dude has no sound. Okay. Remy Binky. Not bad yet. Alright, so okay, so while I'm getting gas, I wanted to say a couple things. Number one, chicken butt. Bye, Carrot. Alright, so I'm gonna try something different here. Okay. I'm giving Water Wizard a shout out. 121 laughed up, who is trapless and has a doodle named Wizard. Why does that not surprise me? His name is Water Wizard. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it at this point. So thank you everybody so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Shout out to Water Wizard 121 laughed yellow duck with the doodle named Wizard. This does not surprise me. I also want to just mention that if you play this, you can go to the ToonTown Rewritten site and create your own account for free. Everything in this game is free, and the ToonTown workers, they work, they have actual jobs, but then come back and work through the night, or even after their shift at their real jobs, because the game is free. The ToonTown written workers don't make money from it, so they have to. At least that's what I think, and I'm pretty sure that. Either way, once again, once again, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you thought that was funny that those two chatless noobs were like fucking crap out of me, then give that like button high five, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.